I don't know why people are so afraid to pet birds. Like, I promise you guys, they're really gentle. If you let yourself do it, it's like a really serene and beautiful experience. I just don't know what people think could go wrong.
Hey, Mufasa. Oh my God! You better kill it! You better kill it! Show me something!
Shut up!
You! Why do I have to shut up?
You be quiet!
You be quiet!
You shut up!
Oh, you gonna drag me now? I will drag you. You gonna drag me? I'll drag you. Oh, drag me, Monique. All right, drag me. No, drag me. Please don't, please don't. Do it.
Pinche pendeja, no vales verga. Tú cállate la verga, pendeja. No, tú. Shut the fuck up. No, tú shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up. Cállate la verga. Cállate. Vete la verga. Vete la.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. Good girl.
Are you done?
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Are you sad?
I'm not sad. Are you sad? All right, we're gonna sing a song. You wanna sing a song? Here we go. Very nice. Very nice.
I love you.
Bedtime. We'll sort it out. Stop it. Give me this. Backside.
What are you doing?
Shh.
This is a loaf of floof bread. It is made out of floof and evil.
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say?
Shut up!
You're a great singer. Yes, you are. Oh, boy.
Okay, here, you can have it. Here, you can have it back. Kai, here, you can have it back. Here, you don't want it anymore? Huh? Throwing a fit? Here. Yeah, there. Calm down. Did you calm down? Little chicken wing? Give me a kiss? Give me a kiss? Angel, give me a kiss? Guys, calm down. Give me a kiss? Give me a kiss, Angel. You're so proud of yourself, hey? Look, you found all the Nutriberries, all the really good treats from Squawk Box. You're a stinker.
All kiwi stuff. He's mad, but he doesn't know why. There you go.
Come on. Pretty baby. I'm so cute. I'm so cute. I'm so cute. Step up. Step up. Step up. No, you step up. Step up.
Oh, now you're not gonna talk? Oh, there's my boy. Hi! 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 Itchy head.